Consumer Compute here, and I was able to pick up the Pixel Watch. It's the first gen non LTE version for $180. Now, I'm gonna do an unboxing, and what do you guys think? Is this worth the $180? It almost has about 2 days of battery life. It comes with 6 months of the Fitbit subscription. So let me know down in the comments. And if you guys haven't already, hit the thumbs up. Also, subscribe. And just letting you guys know that I do have a Patreon account where I'm going to put my videos there a day earlier for anybody who does subscribe. So, again, thanks. And now here's the unboxing. So, the Pixel Watch first gen was introduced last year, and it was introduced at $350. Now, this is the non-LTE version, and it's dramatically dropped in the past year. Now you can roughly get it for under $180. Is this Pixel Watch worth that price? Now, I've seen the price at Best Buy for about $179.99, so I picked up the Pixel version, and this is the stainless steel black version with the sports band. So the other big thing that this watch does give you is 6 months of the Fitbit subscription for free. So if we're looking inside the box, we can see the watch itself. On there, we're going to just pop this over for a second. In here, we got a little card, just says Google on it. And in here, we have the warranty as well as the instruction manual. So this is the warranty. It tells us all the things that you need to know about the watch regulations. And this is the manual. Manual does have a let's get started guide with colored pictures, shows you the crown, shows you how to turn on the watch, and how to put the watch on the band. Normal stuff that you'll see with a smart watch. Also shows you how to remove the bands and securely put them on. It shows you what's inside there. You do get a large band with the small band extension if it's too big for you, as well as a USB-C charger. And it's in other languages. All right, so let's move this stuff out of the way. And I'm just going to move this out of the way. And then let's get to the watch itself. We're just going to unlatch this. Looks like it has a double loop sports band. Most watches since the the Apple Watches have, this silicone based band inside this little like origami style packaging. All right, on that note, if we were to look inside of the box, the first thing we're going to see is the USB-C magnetic charger. Which is right here. It's white. It's got the Google impressions right there. That's what you're going to need to charge it. And there's your little small band if the thing's too tight for your wrist. Again, this is magnetic. Now, the difference between that charger and the charger of the second generation, watch is that it's got like some pogo pins that will help it charge more, because this watch was having issues with it kind of staying on the charger because the magnets weren't as strong as I think they should have been. But as we hit the power button. It does have a health sensor. Again, this is a little button where you can remove the band itself, and you put it on your watch like that, and adjust it, and we're just walking through this again. When you do purchase it, the first thing you're going to have to do is set it up. You're going to have to download the watch app as well as the Fitbit app. Now, if you already have a Fitbit account and you've already like put a say health tracker slash any type of watch in here, you're going to have to use a different Google account to get that 6 months free of the Fitbit service. But on that note, what do you guys think? Is this a good purchase price for a fitness tracker slash smartwatch. Again, this phone does have a speaker, does have a microphone, it does have the heart rate, it actually has an oxygen blood sensor as well in there, which that's pretty cool. On that note, though, this is Consumer Compute, and I'm going to see you guys in the next video. So, again, leave under the comments. Let me know if you guys feel that $170 is worth the Pixel Watch. Until I see you guys in the next video, this is Consumer Compute.